Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the promotional scheme feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the buying module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage promotional schemes for efficient purchasing. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the Items and Pricing tool. This tool allows you to manage various item-related functions, including promotional schemes. Click on the Promotional Scheme option to create a new promotional scheme. In the Promotional Scheme form, you'll find different fields and sections to configure the scheme. Start by entering a name for the promotional scheme. This will help you identify and manage the scheme effectively. In the Items section, add the items that will be eligible for the promotional scheme. You can search for and select the items from your inventory. Specify the quantity threshold for the promotional scheme. This determines the minimum quantity of items that need to be purchased to activate the scheme. Set the discount value or percentage that will be applied to the eligible items when the promotional scheme is activated. Once you've configured the promotional scheme, click on the Save button to create it. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the promotional scheme has been created successfully. To make any changes to the promotional scheme, click on the Edit button. You can modify any details of the promotional scheme, such as the name, eligible items, quantity threshold, or discount value. Once you've made the necessary changes, click on the Save button to update the promotional scheme. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the promotional scheme has been updated successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the promotional scheme feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the buying module. Enhance your purchasing experience with Parsimony's powerful promotional scheme functionality. Thank you for watching this tutorial.